Envision a drizzly March dawn in 2025, March 27th to be precise, when Canon, ever the strategist in the creator economy chessboard, unveiled the EOS R50 Vi, like a secret weapon for the smartphone-weary storyteller. This apsc mirrorless isn't a seismic successor to the 2023 R50, it's a video-tuned variant, shaving the EVF for a sleeker silhouette while amplifying uncropped 4K/60p dreams, a flip-out screen primed for vertical virality, and streaming tools that turn just filming into just launched. At $699 body only, or $959 bundled with the new RFS 14 to 30mm f4 to 6.3 ISSTM power zoom lens, shipping since April, it's a steal for on-the-go creators, lighter than a latte at 375 grams, and priced to poach from Sony's ZV-E10 II throne. I've feasted on the fresh frenzy. DPR Reviews Value over Speed Deep Dive, 85% score, praising its reliable autofocus, but docking for rolling shutter woes. PCM Mag's 4-star Editor's Choice, hailing it as the best vlogging camera for creators who don't have an unlimited budget. And Video Maker's Beginner's Balm, dubbing it the perfect upgrade from phones. The chorus? In December 2025's Creator Crucible, Sony ZV-E10 II's hybrid heft, Fujifilm XS20's filmic flare. The R50 Fi doesn't chase cinema epics. It conquers candids, a featherweight phenom for vloggers, streamers, and social scribes who crave uncropped clarity without the carry-on compromise. At this entry-lux tag, it's Canon's clarion call. Full-featured filmmaking shouldn't feel like full-time freight. Tailored for the TikTok to YouTube trajectory, solo shooters scripting coffee confessions, or city saunters, the EOS R50 Vi swaps the R50's photo first poise for video vanguard. Dual recording buttons, horizontal, vertical, a front tally light for on-camera cues, and enhanced streaming via USB-C, UVC, UAC for plug-and-play PC webcam wizardry. No IBIS heresy or raw video, but with dual-pixel AF2's subject snaring smarts and a vari-angle screen that mounts vertically sans adapters, it's the mirrorless that makes on-the-go feel orchestrated. Let's lens this lightweight legend, from its creator-coddling chassis to its pixel-pulsing prowess. Then I'll cut to the caveats, clashes, and cues for your content conquest. Design and build. Streamlined Sentinel, Vlogger's Vault. The R50 is Canon's compact contraption. A polycarbonate powerhouse at 4.6 by 3.4 by 2.6 inches and 375 grams with battery/card. It trims the R50's EVF hump for a sleeker profile that nests in neoprene like a native. Pocketable perfection for palm-sized productions, per SheClick's hands-on. Grip it and its intuitive intimacy. A sculpted front dial for zoom finesse, customizable star button for quick AF swaps, and a mode dial etched with vlog vignettes. Auto, manual, streaming. The 3-inch, 1.62 megapixel vari-angle LCD flips out 180 degrees for eye-level eloquence or overhead antics, with a vertical mount point that screams at portrait priority. No more awkward adapters for Reels revolutionaries. Buttons? 14 customs, including dual red record nubs, top for landscape, side for portrait, and a front tally LED that blinks live like a pro cue. Ports brim with broadcast bait. 3.5mm mic/headphone jacks, full HDMI, USB-C 3.2, PD charging, webcam mode, but a single UHS-IE SD slot, up to 128 gigabytes, nags for redundancy roulette. Dust, moisture resistant, not IP rated. It shrugs off cafe spills, but begs a rain sleeve for deluges. Battery? The LP-E17 endures 430 CIPA shots, real-world 500 to 600 mixed, 90 minutes 4K, but video veracity demands spares. F-Stopper's Field Fling. Ergonomics evolved for creators. Lightweight liberty without the lug. Quirks? Tiny controls cramp gloved grips, and no built-in NDs irk daylight divas. but for $699? This is vlogging vault, not vaulted excess. The sensor, 24.2 megapixels APS-C CMOS, vibrant visions, video vitality. Core canvas, the 24.2 megapixels APS-C CMOS, 22.3 by 14.9 millimeters, same as the R50, but Digic X-tuned for warmth, yields 13 plus stops of dynamic range, with noise spectral to ISO 12,800 and RAWs approximately 30 megabytes that crop like confidants for social reframes. JPEGs? Canon's signature glow. Punchy yet pleasing, with picture styles like neutral for grading grace. The kit, RFS 14 to 30 mm, f4 to 6.3 ISSTMPZ. Power zoom for smooth dollies, 0.5 to 4 times variable. 4.5 stop OIS for handheld hymns, sharp at 14 mm but soft at tele, versatile vlogging lens, per Camera Labs. Low light? Dual gain ISO, 100 to 32,000, pulls Twilight Tales sans sludge, but readout, approximately 18 milliseconds, invites rolling shutter ripples in whip pans. Poor performance that warps fast action, DPR review decries. For stills? Solid snapshots, video? Oversampled 4K from 6K yields crisp detail. The digital picture's excellent for entry elites. It's no full-frame oracle, but for creators? A balanced brushstroke. Autofocus. Dual Pixel 2 Dynamo. Subject Symphony for solo shoots. Canon's Dual Pixel CMOS AF2 covers 100% of the frame with 651 zones, detecting eyes, for faces, up to 9, animals, vehicles, lightning fast, and reliable for grin-locked vlogs, even through masks or crowds. Touch drag, seamless on the flip screen. Low light to -4 EV, with movie servo that clings during run and gun. Videomaker's verdict, outstanding for beginners, delivers excellent still and video. Quirks? Occasional macro misses, but for talking heads? Tenacious. Burst and stabilization, 12 frames per second, flurry, digital dance. Mechanical bursts clip at 12 frames per second. AF tracked, 47 RAWs buffered. Electronic at 30 frames per second. Crop. Ample for event snippets, pre-capture hoarding 0.5 seconds for serendipity. No IBIS, R50 Cin persists, but lens OIS plus digital movie is, up to 7 stops effective, yields stable handheld hauls, performs well for walkies, though crop nips wide worlds. PCMag praises, effective digital stabilization for vlog victors. It's a steady sidekick, not a gimbal god. Video, uncropped 4K/60p glory, streaming sage with C-Log charm vloggers. Bow, uncropped 4K/30p, oversampled from 6K, 10-bit 422 C-Log 3 for 14 plus stop latitude. Cropped 4K/60p for slow-mo silk, and FHD/120p for buttery blur. Pro level with fun profiles like vibrant for Instabombs, waveforms, false color, and vertical UI mode, future-proof for shorts. USB streaming, UVC, turns it into a webcam wizard. Built-in stereo mic shines for solos, but no windsock nags. Decent built-in sans sock, per DP review. Overheats? Rare 60-plus minutes rolls. Digital Camera World crowns it a Baby Cinema EOS, powerful professional features for aspiring auteurs. No RAW or 8K, but for streams? Supreme. EVF and connectivity, screen supremacy, seamless syncs. No EVF, vlog virtue, but the flip LCD's a portal. Wi-Fi 6/Bluetooth 5.0 zips to EOS webcam utility for cloud calls. USB-C tethers.